morning. So we almost walked right into this guy. He is so magnificent. We're just like, apparently he wants to get a little bit of ocean time too. But now we're at a standoff because I'm not really sure. Should we go forward? Will he kill us? I mean, look at the length of that beak, for heaven's sakes. He could poke my eyes out. It could be like, what's The Birds, Alfred Hitchcock. You don't want that thing poking your eyes out. I'm gonna see if I can encourage him to keep moving. Come on, you're doing great. But yes, I talk to nature. I talk to wildlife like they understand me, because I think they might. My intentions are all good. Alright, I'm going to have to sign off because there's a runner coming, and oh, he saw the runner. Did you see that? Oh, he's going to go poke out the runner's eyes. No, just kidding. Good thing he never saw the movie The Birds. That thing gave me nightmares for years afterwards. Not anymore though. Okay, he's keeping COVID, you know, social distancing, apparently. Alright, now he's just going to walk the path. Alright, well, I guess we'll keep moving. He is one slow walker though. I don't know, have to go around him to get my heart rate up again. Alright, you guys have a great day. Go out and look at that. Ta-ta!